Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use TradingView for day trading. First, navigate to the TradingView website and create a free account. This platform offers a robust environment for analyzing financial markets. You can access real-time data for stocks, forex, crypto, and more. It's an essential tool for any serious day trader looking to make informed decisions and practice their strategies effectively. Setting up your workspace is crucial for efficient day trading. Begin by choosing your desired chart type. Many traders prefer Japanese candlesticks. Next, add key technical indicators like the 20-period exponential moving average or the relative strength index. Organize your favorite assets into watch lists for easy tracking. Remember to save your layouts so you can quickly switch between different analytical setups. TradingView offers a vast array of tools to enhance your market analysis. Master drawing tools such as trend lines, support and resistance levels, and Fibonacci retracements to identify potential price movements. Dive into the extensive library of over 100 technical indicators to gain deeper insights. The powerful screener helps you filter assets based on your specific criteria, and setting alerts ensures you never miss a critical market event. Effective trade execution and risk management are paramount. Utilize the paper trading feature to test your strategies in a simulated environment before risking real capital. Familiarize yourself with various order types, including market orders for immediate execution and limit orders for specific prices. Always set stop-loss orders to limit potential losses and take profit orders to secure gains, typically aiming for a 1-to-2 risk-reward ratio.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.